If we talk about Dr. Rajat, I know him since my childhood. We were both schoolmates, but after the school time, we met through the pranic healing. So, he is a great healer as well as a pranic trainer. He is practicing his Ayurvedic profession as well, but healing is complementing his profession along with using the techniques of pranic healing with Ayurveda. It increases the results of his patients multifolds. If I say he heals the bedwetting cases in just 3 days for a child who can heal with the medicine in a month or maybe in 2 months, or sometimes child don't heal with the use of medicine only, but with the use of this technique the children gets healed in 3 days only. So this is the like one example that I can give over here. But if I say on not only the healing techniques, along with the healing, if we say the meditation, the service part, the donation part, in all the eras, in all the fields, he is doing a great work. Recently, he organized the free basic classes, advanced classes and psychotherapy classes for the children of Bal Niketan who are orphanage students. Nobody takes care of them, and Dr. Rajat takes care of them in a very well manner and help those children to evolve in a very good manner. As I am a child of a mother, my child is just 4 years old and she is very much hyperactive in the past time. So I talked about her with Dr. Rajat. He gave me a wonderful Ayurvedic medicine, and along with that he told me to how to use the technique of healing to control her hyperactivity and to pacify her. And it does wonders. She just got healed in 2 days and the results are wonderful. She is now a pacified child and helps me to do the things as well.